Hey, third graders. Today we are going to be talking about one of my favorite topics, non-literal language. We are going to be looking at one of our old poems back from Unit 2 called The Village Blacksmith. Now, you might remember that there was a lot of non-literal language in this poem, The Village Blacksmith. One thing that this poem had a lot of was similes. Now remember, similes include the words like or as. There's a simile right here on line 5 that says, and the muscles of his brawny arms are as strong as iron bands. So the author chose to use a simile to describe how the village blacksmith's arms were as strong as iron bands. And once again, I know it's a simile because it has that word as. Now, we are going to do something kind of different. We are going to get rid of the word as. So I'm going to cross it out so that it is no longer a simile. Now let's reread it and see how it sounds. And the muscles of his brawny arms are strong iron bands. So what we've actually done here is taken this line and turned it into a metaphor. Instead of saying that his arms are strong as iron bands, we're saying they're strong iron bands, and creating a much clearer picture in the reader's mind of exactly how strong and powerful his arms are. Now let's hop on back to our other poem, Fair Weather Clouds. If you read carefully, you might see that there are a lot of metaphors in this poem. Let's take a look at this line here. It says, here after the thaw, these plains, a green sea, encircle me. Now look at the picture. Do you think the author literally means a green sea? Or is she using non-literal language to describe what the plains look like? That's right. She's actually using a metaphor to say that the plains are a green sea. So here is one metaphor that we've already discovered in our text. Hopefully now you know a little bit more about what a metaphor might look like.